Today we will do drain pipe for ADU. We use PVC pipe in this situation, and right now we will explain you what we do and how we do. We already have prepared trench for us, contractor digging trench, and we do just installation 60 feet of main line. We install 2 change direction cleanouts and all drain work done with a PVC pipe. For PVC pipe, it's really important to use primer first and then glue it all fittings next after that. And when you do already in a build house, it have to be 2 guys, because someone have to working from outside of the house and another guy have to working inside the house, because we're inside the house we have a toilet, sink, we do wet vent inside and drain for the shower, and all these connections have to be done from inside and outside. And right now we do our final connection, and after this pipe is ready for test. It have to be at least 10 feet above the ground water test, and all systems have to be full water. If you planning to build ADU and you don't know what plumber to hire for, Almco Plumbing is the best option for you. Put the like and follow the channel. See you next video.